Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk. We have Brendan and Brian, and I usually do anything Disney, but today we are in Beijing and we're gonna go do what?
The wall.
I don't know about you, but when I first saw this back in what, second grade, third grade history or social studies, I always wanted to go. So I'm really excited. Sleeping was great. I had work, so I worked, and then we washed clothes. It's drying, so we'll see how long it takes to dry. And then we sorted out our souvenirs, threw away gachapon balls. I filmed the gachapon video for y'all, and I'm exhausted, but it takes about 2 hours to get to the wall, so I'm gonna get some nice needed sleep on the van. Yeah, we're really excited. It looks really cold, so I'm wearing 3-4 layers because my coat is not meant for this weather. Brian, how many layers?
3.
Brendan?
2.
Oh la la, 2. Yeah, I'm wearing my heat-tech sweater, this, and then heat-tech and jeggings. It is the ones from the video, huh? We met up with Eric. He's wearing all black today. Eric style. And we are in his apartment complex / hotel. He also took us to a breakfast place. We don't know what's in it, except for egg and
It's like a pancake, some
pancake
paste.
egg. I don't know what the crunchy thing is.
Some kind of fried flour.
Oh, okay. Oh, his Christmas music on. In case you don't know, this is Eric's apartment. Cute. Very cute. Oh, here's your washer. We got the wedding. And a bunch of nerds. Oh, throw the burrito. Eric's bathroom. Oh, that's, see, I couldn't figure it out. Mine kept falling. I don't know if I had to tighten it. I like your desk area. I like your desk. It's like in this room. Nice bed.
I like these paintings. I wouldn't mind.
Where are we, Brian?
The Great Wall.
And it is snowing.
Snowing.
We took a 2-hour drive up here, and we sat in snow. I'm kind of underdressed, but I feel okay. And it's snowing. It's snowing. This is like the tourist center. He told us it was built, what, 10 years ago? All of this? That's crazy. That's bananas. Just for this. It's gorgeous. They did a good job, and at least you have like a little spot to like warm up and use the toilets.
True.
And then we had to buy tickets, so Eric bought some tickets through his Alipay. Cute.
That'd be it.
We are in the Watertown section of it, right? A little car shuttle took us over here. Really cute. It's so pretty.
Yeah, I figured you like it.
Thanks for scheduling the snow for us.
You're welcome. You know how to pay a lot of money.
Wow, what a tour guide. He said, oh, Beijing's fine. Here, have some snow.
There's a show.
Eric, there's a show.
Where?
Over there. Are you gonna go perform?
No.
Eric's tour guide brought us to a Cantonese what? Dumpling. They give us tea like everywhere else, and then we got different kinds, and they do have vegetarian options. Yay!
But I have vegetables too.
Well, yay! And our tour guide left us. He said enjoy, which I'm kind of glad because then no one judges me as I use these. What'd you think of the food?
It was really good. I think that's probably top 3 favorite places I've eaten.
And how much did I say it was?
Like 50-ish, which is really good.
Yeah.
And like 4 or 5 bottles of beer, 8 plates, 10 plates, I think actually.
Yeah.
Really cost effective.
It was, yeah, really good.
The honey dumplings are like the best.
I like the
everyone
other,
else
I
didn't
like the
try
pork
it.
ones.
You had to like soak it. Yeah, like so good. And just like the chili powder, the soy sauce.
Oh, you're cool.
It's like when, oh no.
My bright future.
Wish happy peaceful.
Healthy.
Hey. You're okay. Hey, little guy. Stay warm. Hey, your buddies up front already got food. You should meet up with them.
Alright, our tour guide recommended number 5 so that we can get really good pictures of the town and of the wall. So we're going to number 5, which hopefully that's what this is saying. It's really nice. I'm wearing heat tech because my coat is not thick enough, so I'm wearing 2 heat techs and then my sweater. So yeah. Alright, we came down from the wall. Eric, how was it?
Well.
What?
Oh, it's fine. That was well.
Yeah.
Icy, ancient, but it's pretty well.
Yeah.
Oh, no, in fact, you can't actually see it from space. That's a lie.
Good fact, good fact. You heard it right here.
Those are the facts from Eric.
Eric Corner!
Don't Google them.
No, Google. I know this whole trip I've been like, Eric will say something about Beijing. And they'll be like, ah? No, I'm kidding. So now I'm like, fact or fiction? Because now I don't know. It's always backwards.
Okay.
What are our plans from here?
We're gonna go shopping for you people who don't get enough shopping, I guess.
That's right.
No, it's like you not come from America. You don't have shopping there?
No.
They must not have bathrooms there. Then when you shop, I'm going to go find a bar.
Nice.
Then we're gonna eat some Sichuan food, which is spicy food.
Nice.
So Brandon won't eat anything, and Alex
He's
won't
been
eat.
better at it.
Oh yeah, that's good. Alex won't eat anything because he's vegetarian.
Yeah.
Uh,
And then back 2 hours?
back to a drone show.
Oh, drone show, yeah.
And hopefully our driver's there.
That's the part that scares me.
We charter a driver, it's fine.
Okay. So Eric chartered a driver, and he also booked a tour guide for this experience, but I don't know that he has any links or anything he can provide. Do you?
I can give the WeChat contact.
Okay, maybe I can link the WeChat contact below, because he heard from a friend. It was
Yes.
like recommended. But yeah. Alright, it is 6. The show is at 7, Eric?
6:50.
Eric has the first dish. He's rolling it over.
Beef sausage.
Eric, what is it called?
Beef sausage.
But it's cold beef?
Kobe.
Forgot what it's called.
It's beef sausage, but
We had some guy called Zishiang Sun. He used to make it and bring it to the lab. He kind of looked like a van driver. Looked similar to him. Zishiang.
Yeah.
There's a deer jerky.
Alright, so the compound chicken is really good, but a little sweet. We all wanted it spicy. And then this is tofu something. Eric says it's what?
shrimp, I believe.
Shrimp. It has cashews. Hi, it's Future Shirley here. I forgot to do an outro, but I hope you enjoyed our video of going to the Great Wall of China. I feel super fortunate that I was able to go and super lucky that I got to go with my family. Thank you, Eric, my brother, for setting this up. If you have any questions about anything related to Beijing or the Great Wall, please leave it below in the comments and we would be happy to answer. Don't forget to like if you liked the video and subscribe so you can see the rest of our time in China as well as other vlogs like Japan. I hope you enjoy and have a magical day, and until next time, adios.